So, your Ford F-150 lost power while driving, and suddenly your truck is coasting like a toddler on a tricycle with no pedals. It happens. I get this question a lot. Half panic, half what the heck do I check first? You'd be surprised how often fuel delivery is the culprit. One stat: about 20% of F-150 power loss issues trace back to fuel pumps or clogged filters. So the first thing most people do, pop the hood and stare, hoping something looks obviously wrong. Let's talk warning signs. Did the truck sputter before dying or just lose power instantly? The difference matters. Sputtering usually means fuel starvation. Sudden shutdown could be electrical. Visual: that gauge needle dropping. You pressing the gas? Nothing. Pro tip: before you go full diagnostic mode, ask yourself, was the check engine light on? If yes, you can pull a code with a cheap scanner. These little devices can save you $1,000 in guessing. Easy. Even O'Reilly Auto will scan it for free. Now on to step-by-step basics. Step 1. Check for anything obvious. Is there gas in the tank? You'd be amazed how easy it is to misjudge. Inaccuracy in F-150 fuel gauges is so common, people don't believe it until it happens to them. Next, battery and cables. Corroded terminals can knock the whole truck offline. A loose cable might as well be a brick disguised as a battery. I once had a truck die at a rest stop. Turned out I'd hit a speed bump and knocked the cable loose. Step 3. Listen for the fuel pump. When you first turn the key, you should hear a little whir from under the bed. Silence may mean your pump is done. Or, sometimes, it's a blown fuse. Visual guides online, but the fuse box is usually by the passenger footwell. If it's not fuel, move to the air. A blocked air filter, especially in pollen-heavy places like Portland, can suffocate your engine. Pro tip: air filters are one of the best $20 investments in not walking 5 miles to get help. Of course, the ignition system is another pain point. Coil packs, spark plugs, wires. A $5 spark plug can bring down a $50,000 truck. Pop the coils, inspect the plugs. If they're black, foul, or wet-looking, they're probably toast. Now let's talk sensors. Ford F-150s have a crankshaft position sensor that loves to go on strike. Truck runs fine, then loses all power like it forgot how to be a truck. If you're cranking and it won't fire, this is a prime suspect. Throttle body gunked up? Super common, especially on higher mileage trucks. It gets coated with carbon, the truck gasps, loses power, sometimes stalls. Spraying some throttle body cleaner can be the $8 fix you didn't know you needed. Limp mode, a phrase as comforting as unexpected dental procedure. If the computer detects a problem, the F-150 will shut down most power to protect itself. Sometimes it's just a bad sensor. That's why that scanner from earlier is critical. On the rare but real end, transmission failure is possible. Transmission control modules can go haywire, especially in older models. If you lose power but your engine's still running and it only happens when shifting, this could be your villain. Last pro tip: keep a roadside kit. I've seen everything go wrong from blown hoses to sensor failures in the middle of Oregon rain. A ratchet set, code scanner, and a flashlight save you hours and probably a tow bill that turns your wallet into a ghost town.